After having 2 C-sections, I had a little bit of a bulge still occurring in my midsection. Specifically, I was having lower back pain due to what I discovered here was that I had my muscles had separated. So I came here and discovered that he would be able to do what we call a mini tummy tuck. Coming to Dr. Parsons' office was seriously a no-brainer for me. When you walk into this office, you have that warm, inviting feeling, and then when you meet Dr. Parson, you know right away that he is the doctor for you.
We had a lot of
During the consult, I definitely felt as if we were a team. I spoke to him about what I was concerned about, and he listened to that, and then we kind of went from there on a game plan of what might be best for my current situation. You know, when you discover that you can basically go through the incision that I already had because of my 2 previous C-sections, I was pretty excited. I have to be honest, the pain was minimal. I still have a 1.5-year-old, so the lifting is still a little bit restricted at this point, but other than that, it's been really a breeze.